Today, I'm going to show you a Pipedrive add-on that will give your sales reps superpowers when it comes to knowing your prospects. Let's take a look at how it works. Let's open up any customer in Pipedrive. For this demo, I have the pan manufacturer Fabini. Just enter the customer's website, address, and then click on AI Sales Intelligence. You probably don't have this extension in your Pipedrive. We provide this extension as an extra, so if you're interested, write to us at www.davame.com or check out the description of this video. You'll find all the instructions there. If you click on it, confirm the address, and then let the AI do the work for the sales rep. We can see that the AI is already working and starting to search the web and prepare a summary for the sales rep. This process takes about a minute or two. So let's skip ahead. Okay, we've moved on a bit. We already have all the information downloaded from the prospect's website, and now the AI is preparing the whole summary for your sales rep. And here we have it. We see information about what kind of customer they are, what specifically they do, what they manufacture, or what they deliver. We also see their structure or who the owner is. The AI will even recommend how to start a conversation with the customer and what's actually interesting about them. And then we have the spin methodology here. That means what situation the customer is in, what problem they're solving, what the implications are, and then what the offer should be. We also see potential objections the customer might have, and then how the sales rep should proceed. Here you can see that the whole AI summary is in English. But thanks to today's world, we're no longer limited by language. It's possible to have it in English, German, French, Chinese, and even minor languages like Czech, Hungarian, or maybe Finnish. The whole summary, of course, also depends on what specifically you do. For example, we sell Pipedrive, including implementation, training, licenses, and so on. You, of course, offer some service or product that might be completely different from what we do. When setting up the add-on, we always focus on what you sell, so that the AI naturally takes this into account and then provides the right arguments for the sales rep on how to proceed with the deal. You might also be interested in the price. The price of the search itself is around $1 per summary of your prospect. As for the add-on itself, we're looking at around $60 to $100 a month. Your sales reps are going to love this add-on. Get in touch with us at www.davame.com or in the video description below. But if you need help with anything else regarding Pipedrive, don't hesitate to contact us either. We're experts in implementation, integration, automation, and training for this great CRM. That's all from me.